How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside it, just tap on the search icon at the top and simply type in the username of that person that you suspect have blocked you. So here, if the profile doesn't show up at all, that's the first sign. And with that, you can just go back to the chat screen, and here if the person that used to be in your chats is now gone from the conversation, then it might mean that they have blocked you. And with that, next is if you open the chat with that particular person or you search them, and here if you try to send them a snap or message, and if it doesn't deliver or show pending, then it could indicate that they could have blocked you. And with that, if you try to check their story like you normally would and now it doesn't appears or it disappears, then this is another sign that they might have blocked you. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone had blocked you on Snapchat. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.